Hello there friends, it's Marie here again from Nicole Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd just share a quick little video here showing the wax seal of the month from Spellbinders. This month for October, they have a really fun Christmas wax seal. So we're pairing it with this great red color here, and we're just going to make a few seals. I'm going to give you some ideas of things that you can do with these seals. I'll have lots of links down in the description box if you want to check these things out. Make sure you check out the subscriptions from Spellbinders. Not only can you subscribe to a monthly wax seal stamp, but they have stamps and dies and stitching dies and all kinds of things. So I'll link that down below. You can check it out. Great value, and it's fun to get crafting items every month with a different theme. So here we go. I've got a little paint marker here. I'm going to be using gold. I've got a few colors of glitter that is also available at Spellbinders. I'm melting my wax. I did about 5 wax beads. I find that works really well for these stamps from Spellbinders, and I'm slowly pouring it out to make a nice circular round shape. Now you don't have to worry about being perfect. The fun thing is just creating with this, but I do like to try to make my my little glob of wax there as round as I can. Then I pick up my stamp and I slowly and carefully place it on top of the wax. I try to make sure I do some even pressure so I get a nice even rim around it as that wax spreads out. And you can see my seal number 1 wasn't quite perfect, but you will get the hang of it each time you do it, and it's just fun to make a ton of these. You obviously can go ahead and pour these on top of cards or envelopes, but I typically like to just make a bunch of seals to have on hand, and then I glue them or adhere them onto my projects as I need them. So number 1 was just plain wax. This is number 2, and I'm using some of this red glitter. I'm going to sprinkle it on right before I put on my wax stamp, and that's going to give me a really fun and shimmery wax seal. I do like to sprinkle the glitter on top of my melted wax rather than mix it in, because you can see the glitter shimmer a lot better if you sprinkle it on top. If you try to mix it into your wax, you're not going to get as shiny of glitter. Now here's a third wax seal. I'm pouring it out again with some of this red color, just taking my time. It does kind of cool fairly quickly, but not so quickly that you don't have time to line up your stamp or add some glitter or something. So you don't have to rush, just take your time, you'll get the hang of it. And I've got another wax seal here. You can see they're kind of getting better as I go, so stick with it. If you get a few that don't look great, it's okay, just make a few more. And the fun thing is, if you get a seal that you mess up on, you can use your scissors and cut it up and melt the wax again and re-pour it. So you don't have to waste any of these seals. Use that wax again if you get one that just didn't turn out very well. Now I'm using my gold marker. This is kind of a gold paint marker. You can get these at Spellbinders as well. And I like to just paint over that stamp design. It really helps those raised edges from the design stand out. And you can read the sentiment on this stamp a little bit better. It says, "Merry Christmas to you." So this would be a great stamp to add onto gifts or onto envelopes when you send out your Christmas cards. And I thought this was just a really fun stamp for the month of October. So thanks for stopping by. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you go and check out all the links below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.